Welcome to Sleeping Sleepy, where relaxation and peaceful sleep await. Join us on a magical journey of soothing stories, gentle music, and tranquil visuals. Let's explore the blissful world of relaxation and embark on a restful adventure together. In a cozy backyard, a small organic garden thrives with life. The garden is filled with growing plants, each one carefully tended to by the loving hands of its caretaker. Water is gently poured onto the soil, quenching the plant's thirst and helping them grow tall and strong. As you explore the garden, you notice tiny worms wriggling in the soil. These worms may seem small and unremarkable, but they play an important role in maintaining the soil's quality. They aerate the soil and create tunnels that allow water and air to reach the plant roots, helping them grow healthy and robust. The vegetables in the garden are a sight to behold. Carrots, with their vibrant orange color, peek out from beneath the soil, ready to be harvested. When you take a bite, the sweet and earthy taste of the carrot fills your mouth, reminding you of the garden's abundance and the wonders of nature's flavors. Watching the vegetables grow is like witnessing a magical transformation. From tiny seeds, they sprout into young plants, reaching towards the sun. With each passing day, they grow stronger and more vibrant, a testament to the power of nature and the nurturing environment of the garden. When it's time to enjoy the freshly harvested vegetables, their freshness is unmatched. The crispness of a just picked lettuce leaf or the juicy sweetness of a ripe tomato reminds you that nature's gifts are best savored at their peak. Every bite is a celebration of the garden's bounty and the joy of eating food that is both delicious and nourishing. As you explore the garden, bees buzz happily from flower to flower, collecting nectar and pollinating the plants. Their gentle presence adds a touch of nature's magic to the garden, ensuring the continuation of life and the growth of future harvests. In the garden, children are filled with excitement as they plant vegetable seeds. They carefully place each seed in the soil, covering it with gentle pats and whispers of encouragement. Their eyes sparkle with anticipation as they imagine the day when their plants will grow tall and bear delicious vegetables they can proudly share. Amidst the greenery, a majestic tree stands tall, providing shade and a place to rest. Its branches invite you to sit beneath its protective canopy, offering a moment of respite and tranquility. It's a perfect spot to sit and reflect, surrounded by the sights, sounds, and scents of the flourishing garden. Among the garden's treasures, you may find sweet tomatoes bursting with flavor. Their vibrant red color and succulent taste make them a favorite for many. With each bite, their sweetness fills your senses, reminding you of the wonders that can be found in even the smallest patch of earth. As you wander through the garden, a beautiful butterfly flutters by, its delicate wings carrying it from one flower to another. It dances gracefully, adding a touch of enchantment to the already magical scene. The butterfly's presence is a reminder of the delicate balance of nature and the interconnectedness of all living things. In the heart of the garden, a water well stands tall, providing the life-giving resource that sustains the plants. Its cool water quenches their thirst and keeps them healthy and vibrant. The sound of water trickling from the well creates a soothing melody that lulls you into a state of calm and serenity. The garden is a tapestry of vibrant colors and fragrant flowers. Their petals sway in the gentle breeze, releasing sweet scents that fill the air. The symphony of colors and fragrances creates a sensory experience that captivates and delights, transporting you to a world of natural beauty. In this small organic garden, nature's wonders unfold before your eyes. From the tiniest worm in the soil to the delicate butterfly dancing in the air, every element plays a part in the garden's harmony and abundance. It's a place where seeds of imagination and curiosity are planted, growing alongside the vegetables, and where the beauty of nature can be cherished and appreciated. The garden is alive with the gentle hum of bees as they diligently gather nectar from the colorful flowers. Their delicate wings flutter as they move from blossom to blossom, pollinating the plants and ensuring their continued growth and reproduction. It's a symbiotic dance between nature's tiny helpers and the blooming flowers, creating a tapestry of beauty and purpose. Among the rows of vegetables, the vibrant orange hue of baby carrots catches your eye. These miniature delights are not only adorable, but also packed with flavor. When you take a bite, the carrot's natural sweetness bursts forth, leaving a crisp and refreshing sensation. It's a delightful treat straight from the earth's embrace. As you stroll through the garden, you come across a leafy green cabbage, its tightly packed leaves forming a protective shield. The vibrant green color is a testament to its vitality, and when harvested, its crisp texture and mild flavor make it a versatile ingredient for countless culinary creations. It's a true superstar of the vegetable world. In the heart of the garden, a butterfly gracefully dances from flower to flower, its wings painted with intricate patterns. Its delicate presence adds a touch of enchantment to the scene, as if nature's artistry comes to life. The butterfly's whimsical flight is a reminder that beauty can be found in even the most fleeting moments. The garden is not only a source of nourishment, but also a sanctuary for the senses. The fragrance of blooming flowers permeates the air, creating a symphony of floral scents that invigorate and uplift the spirit. Each breath fills you with a sense of tranquility, connecting you to the natural world around you. In the midst of the greenery, a well stands tall, providing a reliable source of water for the garden's needs. Its cool and crystal clear depths reflect the sunlight, a shimmering invitation to quench the thirst of the plants and support their growth. It's a reminder of the essential role water plays in nurturing life. As the sun sets on the horizon, casting a warm golden glow over the garden, the plants bask in its gentle rays. The fading light paints a serene and tranquil atmosphere, signaling the end of a day's work and the promise of rest. It's a time to appreciate the beauty of nature's cycles and find solace in the quietude of the evening. In a corner of the garden, a small bench beckons you to sit and take a moment of respite. As you settle down, the rhythmic chirping of birds fills the air, their melodies a soothing lullaby. Surrounded by nature's embrace, you feel a sense of calmness and peace wash over you, melting away the stresses of the day. In the tranquil garden, the melodious symphony of bird songs fills the air. Each feathered musician adds its unique voice to the chorus, creating a harmonious melody that dances amidst the rustling leaves. The cheerful tunes of the birds uplift the spirit and create a serene atmosphere, as if nature itself is singing a lullaby to soothe weary souls. Among the verdant greens, the red oak lettuce stands tall and proud. Its vibrant leaves, reminiscent of the majestic oak tree, cascade in layers of deep red and lush green. When you take a bite, its crisp texture and delicate flavor delight the taste buds. The red oak lettuce brings a burst of freshness and vitality to any salad or dish, inviting you to savor the goodness of nature's bounty. The garden is a classroom without walls, a place where children can learn valuable lessons about the wonders of nature. As they plant seeds, watch them sprout and witness the transformation from tiny shoots to flourishing plants. They gain a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of life. It's an opportunity for them to cultivate a sense of responsibility and appreciation for the environment. In the gentle breeze, the leaves rustle and whisper secrets known only to the garden. They carry tales of growth, resilience, and the cycle of life. Each leaf tells a story of how it reached toward the sun, collected nourishment from the soil, and contributed to the garden's ecosystem. It's a reminder that every living thing has a unique journey to share. As you bid farewell to the garden, a sense of gratitude fills your heart. It's a gratitude for the bountiful gifts provided by the earth, for the intricate balance of nature, and for the opportunity to witness the beauty of growth and renewal. The garden will continue to flourish, inviting all who visit to experience its enchantment and find solace in its embrace.